Africa can take this as an opportunity, really, if you look at it. That's why we were advocating inter-African trade. I think it's something that needs to be really pushed hard, because when others are erecting these walls, we can open the walls within Africa so that there is ease of trade amongst us. Because whilst the world is erecting these barriers, it can be an opportunity for Africa to dismantle the barriers within the continent and trade amongst each other. Because sometimes some of the markets that we used to have now are going to be shut down. And with a population, Africa with a population of 1.4 billion people, that's an opportunity to say if we put our barriers down and trade amongst ourselves, that will be an opportunity.